Hello viewers, welcome to linuxscale.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Bluefish on CentOS 7. Bluefish is a free and open source software that text editor with a variety of tools for programming and the development of dynamic websites. It supports HTML, CSS, XML, PHP, C++, Java and much more. It can be also used via integration with the Geno or a standalone application. Okay, now let us see how to install Bluefish on CentOS 7. Okay, now here directly we have to run the Bluefish application. Click OK and continue the installation. Now the installation is completed. Now we have to type Bluefish. Now here we can see Bluefish text editor application. Now we can able to use this application. Then here we can see the version of Bluefish 2.2.10. Thus we have seen how to install Bluefish on CentOS 7. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel linuxscale. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxscale.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxscale.com.